So for this question here, it says solve the simultaneous equations, and then we have x plus y equals 2 and 4y squared minus x squared equals 11. So what we want to do for this first bit here is we want to isolate one of these letters. So what we're going to do is you can always do minus x from this side, which will give us y equals 2 minus x. But we're actually going to just do y just because that works a little bit better here. So if we do x equals 2 minus y, so if we write that out, so x equals 2 minus y. And then what we have for the second line here is we can sub in this x equals 2 minus y, and we can actually put that in for the value of x on this bit here. So if we want to do, we write out the 4y squared, and then remember this minus, and then we have in brackets, we've got 2 minus y squared, and that is going to equal 11. So what we want to do here is we want to expand this bit out. So if we do 2 minus y and then 2 minus y, that's going to give us 4 there. That's going to give us y squared there, minus 2y, minus 2y. And if we add that together, that equals y squared minus 4y plus 4. But remember, this was a minus sign here, so we're actually going to reverse the signs on all of these ones here. So it's going to be minus y squared plus 4y minus 4. And then we're going to add the 4y squared back on from this bit here, and that is going to equal 11. So if we simplify this out, we get 3y squared plus 4y minus 4 equals 11. And we can take the 11 away from this side here, which will give us 3y squared plus 4y minus 15 equals 0. Now, what we want to do in here, we want to actually plug this into our calculator. It just saves a little bit of time. So if you have the class quiz one, just go over to set menu and then option A. And then we put in the numbers here. So that will give us two values then for y. So then y will equal either 5 over 3 and also minus 3. So we can highlight that bit already because we've got part of our answer there. But now what we've got to do, is fairly simple, this bit, is we're going to sub in this y bit into back into this top equation here. So if we get x and then plus, and let's use this 5 over 3 first, 5 over 3, and that's going to equal 2. So if we take away 5 over 3, that will give us the value for x. So if you go back onto your calculator and you go 2 take away 5 over 3, that gives us an answer of 1 over 3. And then if we do the next bit here, so we do x and then minus 3 equals 2. Now we don't need the calculator for this bit here, we just plus 3 onto that side there, which means x equals 5. So then we've got our two other answers here, but we need to link this here. So when we say, if we write this bit in blue, we'll say when y equals 5 over 3, x equals 1 over 3, when y equals minus 3, x equals 5. There we go. That is our answer there. So leave it in that form there. And there you go.